Hello and welcome to World Traveler Cooking, where we cover interesting foods and interesting cuisines from around the world. Today we're going to make a dish from the US and UK, a dish I remember from my childhood, but I haven't had in years and years and years, so we're going to make it today. Egg custard. Now, the ingredients are super simple. We have 2 cups or half a liter of milk, and I've steeped, you'll see a little bit of dark spots in it. That's because I've added a couple inches of vanilla bean to it, scraped out the seeds, etc. Other people sometimes add maybe a 1/4 teaspoon or so of vanilla extract. That also works. To that we'll also add 2 eggs and half a cup or 100 grams of sugar. Those are our entire ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. So, while I'm preheating my oven to 165 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, I'm going to start whisking all my ingredients together. I just started to start this time with just the sugar and milk. Get the sugar nicely dissolved in the milk, and then we'll whisk the eggs in. So, the sugar is fully dissolved. One tip there is you can apply some gentle heat if you need to there. Now I'm just going to add both eggs and whisk. And I'm going to make sure these get super smoothly. So at this point you can see that the hot water is most of the way up to the top there of where the custard is, and I'm going to set this in the oven now. Now, many times people will sprinkle this with nutmeg. That's great, but in my childhood we never did that, so I'm going to do without. So see you back in about an hour when this is set. So it's risen a little bit in the center, which sometimes will happen. This sometimes can be a case of overcooking it just a little, but I'm sure it's still going to be quite good. And this looks absolutely delicious. So, I'm going to go ahead and do a taste test. I'm just going to serve a little bit onto a plate, and we'll go ahead and taste it. And now for the taste test. Well, I'll say that this is actually looking really good. So, I think next time I will add a bit less sugar. But this really has the full flavors of the egg custards that I'm used to. It's really soft. Also, it's rich. It's really elegant. I think this is a great dessert. So, if you find this content interesting, you'd like to see more of it, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have anything to say about this video, love to hear from you. Recipes in the description. Bon appetit, and see you next week.